Percy? Are you talking about Thomas? Liam? You talking about Thomas?
Thomas.
Thomas the train?
Thomas train.
You like Thomas, huh?
Mine too.
Do you like Thomas?
Thomas.
What are you eating?
Right.
Daddy go get you Chinese?
Chinese.
Yeah.
Chinese chicken.
Chinese chicken? Sure wasn't a Chinese cat.
Oh, there's a cat in there.
Ew, that's gross, Dan.
Shut up, Dan.
Chicken.
You say Chinese cat?
No.
No, it wasn't kitty. Was it Chinese chicken?
No.
What was it?
Calf.
It was a calf. No, Mommy don't eat beef. Mommy only eats chicken.
How about veal?
What the hell is veal?
Bambi.
No Bambi.
No.
Liam, did you eat Bambi?
No.
Veal is
No.
not Bambi.
No, venison's Bambi.
Oh, yeah, wait a minute.
Then what the hell's veal?
Baby cow.
Wait.
Oh.
Aww.
Little helpless, poor innocent baby cow.
Shut up! You're gonna make me cry, you prick.
And they chain them down when they're born so they can't walk.
Dan, stop!
Meat gets extra tender. Just like that
Liam,
you were trying to cook.
is your daddy being a butt? He's like, I'm not answering that. I'm not stupid. I'll get in trouble. Liam, tell daddy, say, be nice.
Big. Nice.
Be nice, Daddy. Say, be nice, Daddy.
Be quiet. Quiet.
Who be quiet? Who be quiet?
Who do you want to be quiet?
Quiet. Grandma.
Grandma?
Aw.
Who's your grandma? Grandma's not here, Pumpkin.
You want Daddy to be quiet?
Daddy.
Daddy quiet.
No.
No.
No, daddy not be quiet.
Daddy can't be quiet, can he?
You're a goober, dude.
Ah!